In this video, OBS Studio, Snapchat webcam filters, Adobe Character Animator, but as you can see, I can just take Snapchat web filters, chuck those in. I love Baby Yoda. Oh, look, there's my cousin. Anyway, there we go. Okay, folks, I'm just going to do a little bit of a test. It's not necessarily a tutorial, but I'm using OBS, Open Broadcast Service, which is a freebie. I'm also testing using the Snapcam plugin for a desktop for the webcam. This applies an overlay of sorts, get the whole cute eyes and all that kind of thing. But then the other thing that I want to try and do is get Character Animator, CC Character Animator from Adobe working. So let's go ahead and choose. I do quite like the lamp. I think the alien looks pretty cool. Maybe they might. Oh, Yoda, Baby Yoda, so cool. But the problem is I'm green screening. Now the green screen behind me is not lit up particularly well. I will crop it, but it's not going to be the best effect. Okay, so in back to OBS. Let's hide this. Here's the Animate CC character that you can see over here, and here's my OBS controls. I can start using these to walk around. Now I can only walk so far before my character's gonna. Oh no, that's pretty cool. There's triggers that I can fire. So if I tap play, maybe like a number. Let's go 2. Lock kiss. 1 fist pump. Okay, so you've got some actions that you can apply. The other thing that I've done is I've turned off right here. I've turned off the mic. So if I turn the mic on, now I'll get mouth movement. Now, like I said, the green screen lighting in here is really poor. It's not lit up particularly well. So I'm actually overall I'm pretty happy with what I've got, considering I'm not really using a lot of lighting. There's a few iPads and things. So the iPads down here, I was basically using a bright kind of white light, not too bright, just to add some light to my face, just to lighten things up a bit as I tried to kind of work out how to diffuse light. The fact that I've got a green screen around my Animate CC character means that I had a lot of green spill on me, so that's why I'm getting a lot of this stuff happening around me. Green screen him into OBS, but then the green light was spilling onto my face, so we just chucked a used tea towel over the screen. So more than likely you would try and kind of separate that off a little bit. Hey, how are you doing? Oh, I'm doing fine. Now the problem there is clearly I can get my character talking, but my voice is still in play. So despite the fact that I would need to toggle the microphone off and on, like I am doing here, more than likely we'd need somebody off camera who's being the second voice, and plus you get a different voice going on for the character. So Adobe Character Animator is part of the Adobe package. There are stacks of puppets that you can go and find for these, or you can edit the puppets yourself. But overall, I think I'm largely happy with this little experiment. Right, so I can walk in and out of scene, out of camera shot, and walk back in again, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased. It'll be interesting to see whether working with multiple sources of OBS streams through NDI might mean that I could actually have multiple characters engaging in a scene. Maybe you might have 4 or 5 different computers, maybe far away enough that the mics aren't actually picking up the voices. This has been OBS Character Animator, and as you can see with the googly eyes going on my screen, we also have the Snap camera plugin working. Thanks. And then let's see if we can go to here, Minecraft. Fidget spinners, still handy to play with when you're feeling a little bit like frazzled. Anyway, thanks. I just figured I'd let you in on a couple of the things that I didn't explain very well, and we'll call that a wrap.